What is the best programming language for learning data structures and algorithms? Let's discuss. The most popular answer out there is that the concepts are the same, they carry over, and so on and so forth. While there is some truth in this, different programming languages do have different implementation of some of these concepts. Hence, there isn't a single language that is the best for learning data structures and algorithms. Based on popular opinion, the programming languages C++, Python, and Java are the most popular languages used in solving data structures and algorithms related problems. I have come to the conclusion that the best approach will be to have sufficient knowledge in one programming language, know it in depth to the point that the knowledge becomes transferable to other programming languages in the future if you have to move from one technological tech stack to another tech stack. Alright, so pick the language which you are most drawn to or most interested in. For example, if you love Python, if you love JavaScript, if you love C++ or Java, take that one language, focus on it, build sufficient knowledge in that language, and make this process easier for yourself. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Jerry, aka the Coding Musician. If you are new to this channel, kindly boop the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated on similar great content coming your way every week on this channel. Let's continue. The following programming languages, Python, Ruby, and JavaScript, are good beginner choices. Likewise, C++, Java, C, and C# are also great choices for advanced learners or intermediate learners who wish to go deeper. Having said that, high-level programming languages like Python and Ruby are great for beginners due to their readability. They are very easy to use, easy to understand. In fact, the structure of the Python language is quite similar to pseudocode. So if you're just starting out, I strongly suggest Python because of its clean and simplistic syntax that looks similar to pseudocode. But if you already know JavaScript or Ruby, then stick to it. Go ahead and use that one to hone your skills on data structures and algorithms. Meanwhile, based on my research on Google and the popularity of the problems that have been solved that are related to data structures and algorithms, the programming language C++ remains the top choice for learning data structures and algorithms because it teaches memory management, it teaches time complexity, and also the fundamentals of programming principles. However, you are strongly advised to only pick C++ if you want to become a back-end developer. If your focus is the back-end side of development, then go with C++. But if you're working on becoming a front-end developer, I will stick with JavaScript. And if you are not sure, you're still hanging on the fence, you're not yet sure of your career trajectory, are you going to do front-end, back-end, database, whichever one it is, you're not yet sure, at this point, I will stick with C++ because the skills of memory management and understanding of time complexity will benefit you more in the long run. One important thing to note is that I strongly would like to advise you to avoid learning data structures and algorithms in multiple programming languages at the same time, especially if you are just starting out in the field of software development or programming or coding. Okay, because it can become confusing. You need to hone your skills, know the in-depth of the syntax of one language before you pick up another programming language so that you don't begin to mix things up and get confused. I remember one of my professors that was teaching, it was an online tutorial, and he was teaching Java and he was bringing in the concepts of C# and he was mentioning, things related to C# in a Java class. You don't want that to happen to you as you grow. So focus on one programming language, know it in depth, and then try to transfer the knowledge in the future. At this point, you will only need to deal with syntactical differences in the new language. If you check below this video, I have added some links to beginner study materials that are going to help you in learning data structures and algorithms. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. I know there are a couple of Udemy courses that are very great for learning data structures and algorithms. I actually bought one of them, the one on Java, and it has been very useful. It helped me in upgrading my skills in the area of data structures and algorithms. I started out with Java, so I decided to focus on learning data structures and algorithms in Java first before transferring that knowledge to any other language currently. I hope you check them out. Also, I would like you to leave a comment below this video and let me know which programming language you have used or you are currently using to learn data structures and algorithms, and also let me know how has been the journey so far. I would like to know. Programming, coding, software development, especially learning the concept of data structures and algorithms can be tough, can be hard, to conquer. So I want to encourage you, don't be discouraged. Take it one day at a time. If it means just studying for short 1 hour or a couple hours, depending on how strong or how motivated you are. Okay, don't overdrive, don't over push yourself. Just take it one day at a time. It will come gradually. Within a few weeks you begin to understand, and if you don't understand the concept, go back to it again, go over it step by step. It's okay to have multiple resources on the same programming language with which you will be making reference to. Depends on where you are in your journey, to help you understand it better and faster. Finally, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to our channel yet to encourage us, and also hit the notification bell to stay updated of future videos coming your way. Feel free to share this video with your network and help someone who might be in need, someone who might be looking for how to launch out into the world of data structures and algorithms. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye now.